Hey everyone! In today's video, I will show you guys how to recover lost data using SFWare Data Recovery. The first step is to download and install the SFWare Data Recovery software. You can find the download link in the description below. After the installation is complete, launch the software. You'll be presented with a user-friendly interface. Select the drive or folder from which you want to recover data and click on the Start Scan button. The software will perform a quick scan to identify recoverable files. Once the quick scan is finished, you'll see a list of recoverable files. You can preview these files to ensure they're the ones you need. Select the files you want to recover and choose a destination folder to save them. It's recommended to save the recovered files to a different drive to avoid overwriting any existing data. And there you have it! You've successfully recovered your lost data using SFWare Data Recovery. Remember, the earlier you act after data loss, the higher the chances of successful recovery. So don't wait. Download the software and give it a try.